welcome to Kendwa Beach. So we walked south from Nungwi Beach where the Rio Jumbo Hotel is, and let's see what Kendwa has to offer.
So on the Kendwa side is this cool island in the middle of the ocean there. That's pretty cool to look at. I'll maybe insert some drone clips for you here to see that from out of the sky. That looks pretty amazing. But there's also a lot of hotels and restaurants and bars on this side, so seeing that it's so hot today, I think we need to go and choose one to go have a drink at. I'm thirsty. Jumbo! The artwork from the locals here is amazing. These paintings are absolutely next level. Just look at this lion. So many options. It's just so sad that it's difficult to travel back with stuff like this. But yeah, just look at that lion over there as well. That is amazing. We're going into the souvenir shop to go see if we can find some curios to take home. This place looks awesome. This is paradise indeed. So we just ordered some juice. You got?
Kilimanjaro beer. Cheers!
Cheers on the first one. I'm just waiting for my juice to come, but yeah, this place is really paradise. It's really amazing here. Sitting here in between the small roofs and some palm trees and stuff, and the ocean is just there at the back. This is really nice. Kendua is really pretty cool.
Look at the effort they put in on decoration.
This is so cool.
So we just decided we're gonna become beach bums. Is that okay?
I'm willing to live on 2-minute noodles for the rest of my life.
This is the perfect place to become a beach bum.
The beach here to the south is very nice. There's not so much seaweed and rocks and coral and stuff on it. I mean, just look at it, it's so nice and clean. There's some broken shells and stuff on it, but it's nice to just walk here. You'll see on the video where we walked up north on Nungwi Beach. Some sections there had a lot of seaweed and stuff on it. Yeah, so this beach is really nice. It's so much easier to walk on. Isn't it beautiful?
It's breathtaking.
I don't know if you guys will be able to see it clearly, but there's so many sea stars in this ocean here. On this beach we didn't see so many on the northern side, but just look at all of them just chilling here on the sand. I guess they're also having a tan today. Behind me is Kendwa Rocks. We came to have dinner here one night. We walked here from the hotel. And the food and the drinks was about 60,000 shillings. This place is also famous for the full moon parties they have here, which happens monthly at the full moon. So if you're here and you're looking for a nice party, apparently these are some of the best ones you can have. The palm trees on the beaches here just looks amazing.
I'm walking on sunshine. Wow!
Definitely, it's so nice to just stroll here all relaxed on the beach. This is really paradise. We're just walking past here in front of Rio Palace. Just keep in mind when it's full tide you can't walk past here from Rio Jumbo side because the water goes up pretty high on these rocks here. So you won't be able to pass, so just check your tide calendar to see when you can pass.
And this island is just about Hakuna Matata.
Yeah, Hakuna Matata. This place is really paradise. Thank you guys for joining us on this beach walk. If you guys haven't seen the review of the hotel we're staying at, click on the video up here. And we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!